Hello everyone! Are you curious about the potential government systems for a Mars colony? Let's explore! Establishing a government system for a Mars colony is crucial for ensuring effective governance, social cohesion, and the protection of individual rights in the challenging and isolated environment of the Red Planet. While there is currently no consensus on the ideal government model for Mars colonies, several potential systems have been proposed, each with its own strengths and challenges. One potential government system for a Mars colony is based on democratic principles, where settlers elect representatives to govern their community and make decisions on behalf of the population. Under this model, Mars colonies would establish democratic institutions such as a legislative assembly, executive branch, and judiciary to enact laws, implement policies, and adjudicate disputes. Citizens would have the opportunity to participate in the democratic process through voting, political activism, and community engagement, ensuring that their voices are heard and their interests represented in the governance of the colony. Another potential government system for a Mars colony is based on principles of direct democracy, where all citizens participate directly in the decision-making process through regular assemblies, town hall meetings, and consensus-based decision-making mechanisms. This model emphasizes community involvement in grassroots democracy, allowing settlers to have a direct say in the governance of their colony and the allocation of resources and priorities. While direct democracy can be time-consuming and challenging to implement in large communities, it offers a high level of transparency, accountability, and citizen engagement in the decision-making process. Additionally, some scholars have proposed the establishment of a technocratic government system for Mars colonies, where governance is based on the expertise and knowledge of scientific and technical experts. Under this model, decision-making is guided by evidence-based research, expert opinions, and rational analysis, rather than political ideologies or popular opinion. Technocratic governments prioritize efficiency, innovation, and problem-solving, making them well-suited to addressing the complex challenges of Mars colonization such as resource management, environmental sustainability, and technological development. Moreover, the development of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems could also influence the government systems of Mars colonies. As AI technologies become increasingly sophisticated, settlers may need to incorporate AI into their governance structures to assist with decision-making, data analysis, and administrative tasks. This could include AI-powered advisory councils, decision support systems, and automated governance mechanisms that help optimize resource allocation, policy formulation, and strategic planning for the colony. In conclusion, establishing a government system for a Mars colony is essential for ensuring effective governance, social cohesion, and the protection of individual rights in the challenging environment of the Red Planet. Whether based on democratic principles, direct democracy, technocratic expertise, or AI-powered governance, the government system for Mars colonies must balance the needs of settlers with the principles of efficiency, transparency, and accountability. By developing a governance structure that fosters citizen participation, innovation, and adaptability, we can ensure the success and sustainability of human settlements on Mars for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.